So we're a clothing company that we don't use microplastics. So what that means is plastic-derived clothing are rampant throughout our clothing industry now, and they have their uses. But from an aquatic or from an environmental perspective, they have pretty large impacts. So up front, we used money that we generated through the sales of our clothing. So we raised through the sale of our clothing and donations personally $12.5 thousand US, or otherwise 16.5 thousand Canadian, and we donated that to Seacorps International this summer to help fund a conservation project in Curacao, which is in the Caribbean. So coral reefs represent the highest biodiversity in the aquatic environment. Second only the rainforest. That's where all of our biodiversity comes from, and that's really important because they produce our oxygen and because they create a nursery for fish. They really are the backbone of the aquatic environment, the oceans. Our oceans are our sink for carbon, our sink for heat, they produce our oxygen, they produce our food. So the old saying is no blue, no green. In this case, no coral reefs, no blue, no green. The coral reefs are critical not only for the health of our oceans, but for the health of every single person on Earth.